Welcome back, my Drews Boost to the Drews Boost Kingdom. You guys, I'm so glad to see you guys here again. Thank you guys for supporting my 5-part unboxing. We've got up to part 4, which was this mimosa yellow crocodile. I have an unboxing as an intermission before we get to the big daddy, the Himalayan, which is this baby, which happens to be the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 512 gigabyte. I thought I would do an unboxing with you guys. Ooh. Okay. And give a quick little review of what I think about this baby. So here we go, you guys. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Wow, this thing is huge. Okay, so here she is. We're gonna take this little plastic thing protector off. We're gonna power him or her on. Okay, so I got the 512 gigabyte iPhone 12 Pro Max. Can you believe this phone is $1,500, $1,538. Then you gotta pay $20 for a little charger box. But if you go to Best Buy, you get $5 off. So you got $15. But that is insane for a phone. To think you already have a bag that's thousands of dollars. Then you put a phone in that's $1,000. Then you have your wallets. Then you have your makeup that's hundreds of dollars. And it's just like, life is too expensive. It's just too expensive. The reason I got the 12 Max is because the camera is supposed to be better than all the other cameras of the 12 models. So I'm gonna take some night shots. That's what I really care about, because whenever I'm dressed up as Kenya, y'all know when I go as Kenya, I'm always in a dark, bougie restaurant, and it's hard to get good lighting and good visibility. And I'm like, you know what, they said this 12 is gonna have this night vision, so I'm like, okay, it makes sense to get this for the night vision. So I could take better videos inside restaurants on my date nights and things like that. And also take better pictures, because when my outfit is cute during date night, I can get some cute pictures instead of trying to find some light, and pose, and all these awkward people are staring at you with the spotlight on you. So this is how dark this street is, right? Now I'm gonna take a night mode picture right here. So that is what the night mode does. It's quite amazing. And then I'm in the dark right now. I don't know, I'm not really impressed with the video of in the dark, but I will say the night mode in the dark is spectacular. So behind me is this little house, river, lake situation. Which neighborhood? McLaren just drove by. Anyway, there's this river, bay situation over here, so it's really dark, and I'm gonna show you guys the night mode and no night mode photos of the situation. I'll show you guys filming down this little walkway. This house over there. I'm gonna film a wide shot, so let's do wide. So I'm gonna take a picture from the wide shot. Let's do a what fits inside this bag. Okay, so let's just do it as if I'm Kenya. I'm going to sympathize with a woman, and I'm going to imagine that it's a Kenya date night. So what Kenya would carry on her date night, because it's the new iPhone 12 Pro, will it fit inside? We shall see right now. If you put it in this way, like slanted, and then push it forward, it should fit inside the bag. Now, I wouldn't need to carry my charger because the iPhone 12 Pro Max has an amazing battery. You guys, it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max, not an iPhone 12 Pro. It has amazing battery, so I wouldn't need to carry this charging thing. So I would put my phone in there. Also, date night is Kenya. You would need a mirror. So, you know, just a little mirror just in case, you know, you need to touch up. I would definitely put my Chanel mirror inside. So it fits. Also being Kenya, I'm most likely going on a date. So I would need a lipstick. So I would have a little cute little Marc Jacobs lipstick. I don't know what color this is. Funny thing about this Marc Jacobs lipstick, I don't know if you guys ever heard of Fashion Night Out. Fashion Night Out is basically better than Fashion Week because it's like parties and events for big fashion houses and, you know, the fashion industry and retailers. And like, let's say Marc Jacobs will have a party for Fashion Night Out. So basically you would go see a collection with a whole bunch of buyers or a whole bunch of stylists at a fabulous dinner, and you get swag bags. So you get free Marc Jacobs lotions and maybe a smaller good and these free little whatevers. And so at the table where they're giving these out, girl, I just grabbed a whole bunch of them. So I have a ton of these little Marc Jacobs lipsticks. And I actually really like this color for a nude. I would line it with a dark color and then just put this in the middle. So I have this in there with the Chanel mirror and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Also, if I'm gonna do a lipstick that's a matte, I would definitely need a gloss, and I would use my Stila lip gloss. So I would put that in there. And because it's COVID, definitely need you some hand sanitizer. So I would put my hand sanitizer. Now, if you are a woman, you should never, ever need to carry a wallet going out on a date night. So I personally, Kenya would never even carry this, but this would... it would fit inside, but I personally would never carry this. A, because a woman, a queen, should never pay. And if a man is making a queen pay, he is a peasant and he ain't no king. So you need to leave him by the curb, girl, because he ain't no good, okay? So you shouldn't have to carry this. Another reason why I would never carry a small leather good like this is that all your important stuff is gonna be in the small leather good. Why would you make it easy for them to just be able to steal all your stuff? Give them your health card, your money, your coins, and everything. Girl, you have to work for my stuff if you go try to steal my stuff. If you could be a pickpocketer, I'm not gonna make it easy for you and just give you everything. So I personally wouldn't carry this because it just also takes up too much space. All you need is cash for a cab, ID, a debit card, credit card, whatever. That's the most you should need just in case of an emergency. And put that in this inner pocket, you know? That's what it's for. What else would you use that inner pocket for? And it's gonna make a thief have to really dig in your bag or really, you know, try to get inside to get your stuff. So yeah, definitely need some breath stuff to make your breath smell good because, you know, funky breath is just atrocious. And then also maybe a darker lipstick, you know, to put in. And then also I like these little samples, like to carry in my bag, just in case you're at the club and you sweating, girl. And, you know, it's just, you know, you just need to vamp it up a little bit. So this is Louis Vuitton Orange, a little sampler that I'll put inside my bag. And basically, that's her by the side. That's her upside down. That's her on the other side. And let's try to close her up. So because the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a taller phone, because the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a taller phone, it's like right here. I don't know, you could probably see it buckling just a tad bit. You can't really see it, but it's buckling right there. So that's what Kenya would carry inside, you know? I don't really need to. Oh, I also put some car keys in there, but the car keys, they could definitely fit right on top. And if you wanted to, you could close her up. But for me, I personally like the open look of the Kelly, because this would be too much. Maybe if I was in a tighter space, I would definitely close my Kelly up. If I was in a tighter, crowded area, just because it's gonna be a lot to try to get out of that. And I would be carrying it like top handle, like top carry. So, you know, I would have total visibility and be feeling if somebody was trying to go in my bag. And I love bags like this for parties or going out, simply because there are pickpocketers. You guys know, no matter where you're at in the world, Las Vegas, LA, Paris, Spain, Madrid, China, there are people that are professionals in stealing people's stuff, especially tourists. If they know that you're a tourist and you're not, you know, a native there, they are quick to steal. And I like a bag where it is just hard to let a thief like get inside your bag. So I love a bag like this to go out. Now, if it isn't a glazed exotic bag, you have to be very careful with carrying them, because you don't want to stuff them and create cracking. Now, some cracking on the leather is natural. That's not really cracking. That's more like the coating being whatever. But when you stretch a crocodile bag that's glazed, it will create cracks, and sometimes they could be pretty visible. And you can see them, and it's not a pretty situation. So with alligator and crocodile bags that are shiny, I would not recommend overstuffing them. Now, if it's an Epson or Chev, ostrich, or matte crocodile or matte alligator, you can stuff to your heart's content, because it won't show any stretching or cracking. But when it comes to these exotics, I definitely would not stress stretching the bag too much. So now let's do some other options. So again, what we have in here, we have our MAC lipstick, we have gum, we have our Chanel mirror, we have hand sanitizer, which is necessary, which is a good size. We would have our 12 Pro Max iPhone. We would have our cash and 3 cards here. We would have our Stila lip gloss and Louis Vuitton sampler and this small Marc Jacobs lipstick. It actually fits, you know, some really cool stuff for, you know, essential night out on the town. You guys that are ordering from my essay, you guys know these are very much affordable. So, you know, you can get more than, most of you guys are buying 3 to 4 bags at a time. So, you know, a mini Kelly and a Birkin 30 and whatever all at once is not bad. But if you're the type that you can only afford 1 bag at a time, I personally wouldn't go for a mini Kelly first. If you gotta wait for a while, I would definitely go with a Birkin 25 or a Birkin 30, a Kelly 28, Kelly 25 as a first purchase. And then, you know, like this would be something that you would do, you know, after you have like 4 bags or 5 bags or whatever the case is. But it definitely is cute. It fits quite a bit. This is definitely an evening purse or a lunch purse. This is not an everyday, you know, purse. I wouldn't even say it's an everyday, like small, like wallet on chain situation. Unless you have like a calf skin. But a precious skin bag, I definitely would not say that's an everyday small, ready to go kind of bag. So those of you guys that have been following my Instagram know that I have now added a second Birkin to the giveaway. So we have this beautiful electric blue Birkin in Togo leather that we are giving away. And those of you that have joined the Instagram kingdom know what is the color of the second Birkin, and it is a size 30, and you guys know what color harbor it is. And the giveaway date and the pulling date of the name will be the same date as this, and the dates will be announced on the Himalayan Birkin unboxing, which will conclude the 5-part Birkin and Kelly unboxing for my sales associate. And those of you that want to join the kingdom, you still have a chance, because until the Himalayan Birkin unboxing video is up, you have a chance to win. So join the kingdom. If you want any information on how to apply for this giveaway, please watch the unboxing of this baby. And the information will be in that video. Please click this link here to know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you can know when future videos are coming out. Please join me on Instagram, Kings and Queens, because you know that's where it goes down, okay? So I will see you next time.